How to create a credit note in AAAPOS RetailManager. Credit notes are generally used for refunding goods when you don't want to give a cash refund. Shop policy on refunds will determine how you use the credit note payment method. AAAPOS RetailManager tracks all credit notes that are issued and redeemed, and therefore requires that all credit notes be issued against a customer record. Please note, you can run the credit notes outstanding report for information about your outstanding credit notes, including gift vouchers and deposits. See reports for more information on generating the report. If you are refunding a customer with a credit note, a sale is made for the returned goods in the sales window with a negative quantity for the returned goods and a payment type of credit note. The credit note can then be used by the customer to purchase anything in your store using the credit note as the payment method. When you are entering the details for the refund in the sales window, make sure you enter a customer number or name in the customer field. You cannot refund with a credit note without it being applied to a customer. This ensures that you have all the details you may need about the customer to keep track of your credit note liabilities. For each stock item, scan or key in the stock item barcode in the code field and enter a negative quantity in the quantity column. In the payment details frame, select credit note as your payment method. Please note, when you redeem a credit note, a positive quantity is entered in the quantity column. Press F3 to enter any comments in the comments frame. Complete the credit note sale. A credit note will be printed out, and the credit available to the customer recorded and displayed in the sales window in the available credit field whenever a sale is made to the customer. You can view the credit notes that have been issued to a particular customer in the Credit tab of the Customers window. See Viewing Customer Transaction Details for more information. You can also reprint the last credit note from the Tools menu by selecting Reprint and then Last Credit Note.